Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. See how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
There is a storm at this fringe and some over the coast of Lagos at 10:45 UTC today. It means that by 1500 we should be able to see several mesoscale systems developing all over West Africa. So, and we will go back to what do we expect again from T plus 36 and 48 hours. We also notice that except for this area where I think Liberia and Sierra Leone, where I think that there might be a prolonged precipitation.
Thank you so much for watching. You want to see more? Click below and subscribe because we drop video every day.